Hi, in this tutorial, we'll take a look at how we can see some real-time data. So here within the CardioLog UI, we're going to hop into the Analysis Center, which is where we can actually report on data that's real-time. So let's take a look. We'll hop into this part of the tool. And the first thing you can see here on the far left is the SharePoint hierarchy, where we get a structure of the entire SharePoint environment or environments that we're tracking. So here in our demo, we have a SharePoint Online tenant, a 2016 on-prem farm, 2010 farm, and a custom .NET site as well. So we can track as many environments as customers would like. And by selecting any object here, I can drill down here to the site, subsite, list library, list item level. But by selecting any object here, let's take this home site, we'll get an instant dashboard, and it should give us some real-time data right away. So you can see I'm showing data for today. So far this morning, you can see data here within this chart. So this is all data for today. If you want to see data for even the past hour or this current hour, we can do that as well. Let's maybe take another subsite here as an example. I'll take this project site. So again, some real-time data for the specific subsite. And again, here I'll just go and change the date range here, see what happened last hour. So here this would be for the previous hour. Or let's see what's going on right now during this current hour as well. All right. So you can see some data that's real time. So this is actually clicks in the past minute or so for items here in this list. That's a quick example for how we can show real-time data here within the Analysis Center as well.